Some days I like to keep it clean. Some days I like to get messy with it. And today, my friends, we're getting messy with it. Limoncito. What's your favorite part of a seafood boil? I mean, obviously, other than the king crab, do you love the potatoes, the corn, the egg? Honestly, I could have the potatoes, the corn, the egg, and the sauce and be a happy camper. Look at that hunka huevito. I'm going for this corn because it looks so juicy. Some lemon on there. Wow. I like to remove that. I love the shrimp.